So this is Jim Meshad with XRT Power Systems, and we're here visiting today with Londonderry Fire Department in Londonderry, New Hampshire. And John, why don't you say hi? And
hi guys, my name is John Camary with the Londonderry Fire Department. I'm just going to present some of our equipment to you guys today and show some of our XRT products that we use with our Western Beat generators that we've got.
Good deal. How many systems do you have?
So we have 4 engines that all run a Western Beat generator with an XRT pump to run our Hamatro tools.
Yep.
And we also have 1 heavy-duty rescue that's running all XRT systems on it as well.
Excellent, excellent. And how long you guys started using the power systems in 2007?
No, actually it was long before that. We've had XRT systems for almost 15 years now.
Wow.
So it been around a little while. So
yep,
we've
excellent.
Had the time to try them out and prove them and decide that we really like it. And our newest engine that we're speccing out right now, it'll be coming with it. So.
Well, that's good to hear. Now, tell us a little bit about why you like the system so much.
It's foolproof. We don't have any problems with it. The maintenance is minimal, and when I need it to work, it works. Not most of the time, every time.
How is it when you get to the scene? Is it a process to get the tools out and get everything going? Or?
Well, the way that we have all of our stuff set up, our engines, the generator controls are all inside the cab, so we can have generator up and running before we get on scene.
Yep.
And our XRT runs directly off of that. So as soon as I get on scene, my hydraulic tools are live. We can look at the engines and I'll show you how they're set up. So we have a core hose Hamatro tool system, and it's on a live reel. All I have to do is hit a dump valve and I'm good to go. My tools are instant on.
Awesome. So let's take a look at it.
There's no setup time. Yeah, we can do that. What do you want to see
cool.
first?
Let's see the start at the tools.
Okay. So as we walk by the edge of our pump, our Western Beat generators are all top mounted.
There you go.
As well as the XRT main pump itself. So everything is up and out of the weather, and we have much better luck keeping them out of the debris that way, out of the salt, and then all the stuff that we have on the roads here in New England. So it's just better for the product to keep it up there. And it's convenient storage package-wise, and it works out for our system.
Great.
So all 3 of our engines, this is engine 3, it's a 2007 Pierce Sabre. We have roll-up doors on the back of these. And this is the dump valve I was talking about, so when I show up on scene, all I have to do is flip this down to open, and my tools are running. So everything's on an easy access reel. We keep a combi tool on all 3 of our engines. It's already all pre-connected, so as soon as we come out, it's just that fast. Hit the dump valve and we're ready to go. We can get started with the engine to do some quick extrication if we need to, for mutual aid, or if we're waiting for our heavy rescue to show up on scene. We can at least get started with our combi tool. And the rest of our engines are set up in a similar fashion. Let's see where we end up going. Shut it off so we can actually hear what we're saying.
Right. All right, what do you got here, John?
So this is our Pierce Sabre heavy duty rescue. On board we have everything's set up through PTOs through the transmission. So when I show up on scene, our PTO generator, we fire it up. That also powers our XRT tool system. So we have 3 independent reels on this truck. We can run all 3 reels simultaneously, which we have done. We get a fair amount of extrication here in Londonderry between the interstate and several state roads within our town. So we'll start here at the front bumper. This is our primary attack line for extrication. So we leave this set up all the time, ready to go. We have the Hamatro 9-inch cutter on there, and our core reel that comes right off. So again, easy, quick deployment, just like our engines. All you have to do is grab your tool, hit your dump valve, and you're ready to go.
Nice.
So it's just that fast. You know, your driver operator, you know, they obviously are trained in how to operate this, so they set their brake, flip their generator on, and as soon as they do that, it gets all my tools live immediately.
Yep.
So as soon as I hop out of the back seat, I can come right off, hit my dump valve, and I'm ready to start cutting. And
this is a Hamatro tool?
That's correct. This is a Hamatro 9-inch cutter. It's their newest cutter that they have out right now. It's been an excellent tool, and the XRT system powers it perfectly.
Excellent. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that our tools, our systems will run any tool.
Yeah, so we use exclusively Hamatro here in Londonderry. I don't know, I mean, I haven't run other tools that are run by XRT systems, so I can't vouch for their stuff,
right.
But I know the Hamatro stuff has been flawless.
Yeah,
so
good deal.
we'll take a walk around the truck. I can show you some of our other setups. So both sides of our heavy rescue are set up the same as far as air supply and hydraulic lines and electrical. So the rear compartment on either side of this truck, we have the Hamatro core line that's up on the reel up above.
Yep, and there's a dump valve again.
Yep. So again, just another dump valve. It's all powered up the same system. This is where we keep our cache of Hamatro tools, essentially.
That's a sweet garage right there.
So if there's something that we need to get into, if you can't do it with this, you need to look somewhere else, because you should be able to pull it off.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cutters, spreaders, rams, you name it. You know, it's really nice to have the XRT set up this way with the 3 different valves. I can have a cutter out, I can have a spreader out, and I have a ram out, all running at the same time. And you know, the nice feature of the Hamatro with the core line is I don't have to power anything down to switch them. I can do hot swaps. The XRT doesn't have any issue with that, and it doesn't matter if I'm running 1 tool at a time, 2 tools at a time, or all 3 tools at a time. I still get the same power and the same speed out of all tools all the time.
That's great. Excellent. That's what it's designed for.
It does it.
Saving lives.
2011 Heavy Duty Rescue. Essentially, to power this up and get our XRT tools running, very simple. Just one button, says generator PTO. As soon as I kick that up, my engine comes up to high idle, engages the PTO section of my transmission, and it's live, ready to go. That's all it takes. You want to see? We can pull one of them out if you want. I'm sure you've run them.
Oh yeah. All right, John. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.